Hello and welcome to episode 6 of Fast Fridays. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to put camera shake in post in order to make your locked off shots, like tripod shots or whatever, look like handheld shots. So, without any further ado, let's get into this. So this is a drone shot, but we're going to use it in the same way that we would use a locked off tripod shot. So instead of it looking more handheld, it's going to look more like you shot it from something like a helicopter without a gimbal. So if we look at it, it's dead smooth, nothing to it there. It's just moving, there's no shake whatsoever. It looks rigid, it doesn't look natural. So what we're going to do is bring it into Fusion, and then once we're here, we're going to select our media in. We're going to hit Shift Space, and then we're going to type in shake. We're going to drop in some camera shake here, and your X deviation is going to be how far it moves along the X axis. Your Y deviation is going to be how far it moves on the Y axis, and its rotation deviation is going to be how much it'll rotate. Randomness is what you would imagine it is. It's how sporadic your movements will be. Your overall strength is going to affect the size of your movements, and the speed is going to affect how quickly it does those things. So we are going to go ahead and hit play now that we have this shake applied, and it's way too fast. So we're going to turn that speed down quite a bit. Overall strength is too much as well. We don't want it to look crazy. We just want it to look less perfect, you know? So we're going to turn that speed to very small. We're going to make the strength very small, and we'll play. So right here, you can already see, I mean, it's still a bit fast, but you just tweak those settings until you're where you want to be, and that perfectly smooth shot is going to look a lot more natural and organic very fast. So that does it for episode 6 of Fast Friday. It's how to add shake into your still footage. I'll see you next Thursday.